Many people today spend most of their time using web browser, so why not to learn some useful abbreviations here? Ctrl L is used to quickly enter text in the address bar. This eliminates the need to search for a mouse and input field. Holding down the Ctrl key while clicking a link opens the landing page in a new browser panel. If you use a classic mouse, you can call up the same function by clicking the link with the mouse wheel. This way, you can easily open several articles into separate tabs. Ctrl T opens a new blank panel. On the contrary, pressing Ctrl W closes the panel. In case some panel was closed by mistake, we can restore it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T. Ctrl+N opens a whole new window. The new incognito window is shown only by adding the Shift key, that is Ctrl+Shift+N.